Alright, let's make a quick update on our setup on GU. So quick recap, what we were waiting for. Okay, I'll check gold a little bit later. What we were waiting for is for this candle to close so that this fair value gap will be created so that we can enter from here, protect our stop loss here, and actually collect our profits at this buy side, which played out perfectly. You see, it's really nice, plain and simple. All we had to do is just wait. All what this trade costed us is just simply wait a little bit until we see something clear. And usually when price consolidate that much, the breakout is significant and it has a good momentum. So we're gonna observe how this setup will unfold from here. Now, I want to share something with you, something that not all traders would like to share. It's the dark side of trading, or the side that we don't want to face from time to time. And this is really significant. The order that I'm placing right now is the order that I placed on my MT5. Okay, alert after the other. Is the order that I placed on my MT5. I placed the order here simply because this candle closed below the high, below this high, and I wanted to enter at the BPR to have a better risk to reward. So I placed this order and I just left my trading desk to do some other stuff. So by the time price dipped lower and just kept on going up, I wasn't right at my desk. So technically I'm not in this trade, unfortunately, and I do want to talk about this because it will happen, right? It's not the first time that this happened with me personally. It shouldn't happen more often, of course, but it will still happen from time to time. And even for you, if you're still starting or you have some experience in trading, you know exactly that this is inevitable and sometimes it will happen. So it's not a good feeling at all, believe me, especially that I've been waiting for 9 trading days from July 24th until today on my swing system to execute this trade. And this could have been a stop loss. Okay, it's not because it's going in my favor I missed out. No, this could potentially be a stop loss, and that would be very fine. If it's a systematic stop loss, I'll be happy for it. But this is the dark side of trading when you wait a long time and then you execute, you take a loss, or even you miss out such a profitable trade, which much more painful psychologically than making money. You know, missing out on an opportunity is much more painful than actually losing money. So here I have two choices. I either can be impulsive and go trade out of revenge and after price reach here, okay, let me enter here, let me enter here and start chasing price, or the other option that I have is just to stay still, stay patient, and have full faith in my system that the market or the price is gonna definitely offer me another opportunity this month. So yes, it's not nice. Yes, it's really painful. But at the same time, I really have nothing to do rather than wait until the next good setup will unfold so that I can enter. But if you are watching real close and through some time, I'm hopeful that you'll be able to execute such setups on your own. So if you place your order right at this fair value gap, you could have definitely be in this trade. And right now already your trade is trading around 2.5 R, and definitely 95% it's gonna smash this buy side and get your TP done. So this is what I'm hoping to achieve with you guys. Whether I personally took the trade or not, I want you to create your own approach on the market so that you can definitely take advantage of such trades. Now, despite the fact if I'm in this trade or not, it's really amazing uh, example on how trade is done. Like really very simple bias, clear bias, displacement to the upside, leaving fair value gap, interesting point of a point of interest, and then all you need to do is just to place your order and that's it. Let the market do what it's done. or let the market do what it does usually, or I don't know how you can say this properly. But yeah, guys, I thought of sharing this with you because really this is very important. It's even much more important than the setup itself because this setup, believe me, we will see hundreds of those setups in our journey. But what you cannot see is a good behavior, a good self-awareness of you controlling your emotions and not trade out of anger or out of revenge and those stuff. So this is really a win for me for the fact that I was able to control myself and just be patient and wait until the next opportunity. Now, here's the thing. On the daily time frame, okay, we have this bearish fair value gap that today will confirm the close above it. So we are definitely bullish on the daily time frame if the day closes above those two highs. Okay, we have two options. Price could still reverse and test this area over here. It's unlikely to happen due to the bullish scenario, but take into consideration that at any time price can flash down and then go up, especially that tomorrow we have some high impact news. So if I see before price takes this buy side, if I see that price is gonna consolidate a little bit, accumulate, then manipulate to the downside right at the news just to shake everyone that bought today, okay, then I'll be definitely taking another buying position into this buy side. So there's still chance to enter this trade. However, in case this didn't happen, you see how this level was amazing, okay? Some of the traders can call this a head and shoulders, okay? Whatever, breakdown, retest, but this is not the case. We executed here on 15 minutes order block, which I shared with one of the live sessions that we had, and nothing could had ever give you such precise or such precision in price action other than ICT concepts. And yes, this pattern works out, but it's way less probable to work out for the long run. And right now, by the time everyone is thinking that okay, this is the head and shoulders, and everyone, this is the breakout, and this is the retest, everyone will be placing some short positions over here when we are definitely being bullish on the daily, and it's a very low probability for price to go down this to this level. Instead, what we will do is the following. Patiently wait until price would retrace a little bit. Whether it's gonna retrace to this area or not doesn't matter. What matters is the following. I want to see another break above this structure over here, above this high. Reclaim the bullish momentum and especially close above this bearish fair value gap. After this close, we will patiently wait until a retracement back into this level, and then we can target the next buy side over here, or even this major buy side over here. There's high chance that GU will resume the bullish momentum, and by the end of this month we can see trading back at these highs over here. But I like to take price step by step. All we have is the now moment, so we stick to it and we trade price from point A to point B. Today, point A was this fair value gap, point B was this buy side. Until tomorrow, anything can happen. Price can change at any time, so I'm keeping my levels standby and I'm watching price closely. So that was my update for today. I really hope you enjoyed and you're getting some value from these updates, and I'll keep you posted with whatever happened. Let's go. Have a great night.